Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best travel organizers. I have made my research, and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the travel organizers in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best travel organizers on the market right now. Coming at number 5, we've got the ProCase Hard Travel Electronic Organizer Case. While most tech organizers are made of pliable nylon, this ProCase's extra durable tech organizer features a hard shell made of EVA, which adds a layer of shockproofing. If you're prone to dropping your case, or you're traveling somewhere rather rugged with lots of literal bumps on the road, a hard shell case can provide your gear with extra protection. This pick has a dual-layer internal organization system. The top compartment has numerous mesh pockets and elastic loops for storage, while the bottom compartment has an open space for larger items. The latter also has adjustable dividers for a customized fit. Overall, this spacious, and therefore a touch bulky organizer should have room for cables, batteries, chargers, and adapters. But keep in mind that because the shell isn't flexible, you can't overstuff it. Coming at number 4, Bevagikos Electronics Travel Organizer Bag. If you're traveling with bulkier gear, say a hard drive, a laptop charger, and a camera battery charger, this reasonably compact organizer by Bevagikos has a large main compartment that'll fit them. And to prevent that gear from bumping around inside, it has adjustable dividers, so you can create customized spaces for each item you're storing. The biggest downside to this travel tech organizer is that it only has one large zippered mesh pocket, so it's not ideal for someone with various cords. That said, if you're one of the lucky few whose devices all use the same charging cord, this is a solid pick worth considering. Number 3, Fjällräven Färden Necessity Bag. Despite being the bulkiest and most expensive bag on this list, the Fjällräven Färden Necessity Bag works best for me on the road when I need to carry a ton of items beyond my tech gear. To give you an idea, I managed to fit objects such as a mini first aid kit, a notebook, compact binoculars, and a tennis ball to roll out aches. Everything I need on a trip fits easily within this high-capacity organizer, and there's often room to spare. As for my tech gear, I can store all that easily in the mesh and zippered pockets, as well as the elastic grid section. The grid is much easier to use when storing gear, as you can tuck in objects of various sizes, such as cords and blocks, without needing to adjust or squeeze them in. A common issue with loops that may be too big or small. My pesky universal adapter also fits comfortably in the main zippered compartment. When your carry-on bags tend to have a vast, cavernous main space, a necessity bag like this one helps keep everything in one place. Another major plus, it has 2 convenient hanging straps, so you could easily convert this into a toiletry bag too. Coming at number 2, BagSmart Cord Organizer. BagSmart organizers are fairly affordable to begin with, but if you're looking for an even more budget-friendly bag, this is another favorite of mine. Although it's a bit on the smaller side, it's a solid choice for those traveling lightly, with minimal tech gear, as it's very compact. Over the past year, I've mainly used this for short trips, such as overnights and weekend getaways, when I'm not lugging a ton of gear around. I've also used it on larger trips as a secondary organizer. While I keep a main organizer with the bulk of my gear tucked away in my carry-on bag in the overhead bin, I fill this one's mesh pockets with in-flight essentials like my phone charging cable, a small external battery, and my headphones. For this use, I find the little wrist strap useful. If your bag has an internal key clip, you can attach this organizer there to find it more easily. Number 1. BagSmart Electronics Organizer Travel Case. When I'm traveling, I want to ensure my personal item fits beneath the seat in front of me. So having a fairly flat-tech organizer, like this one by BagSmart, makes my packing job a whole lot easier. Roughly the size of an iPad, though about 4 times as thick, this organizer opens like a folio to reveal a large number of mesh pockets and elastic loops. For the average traveler, there's space for various cords, portable batteries, wireless earbuds, and just about everything else you might need on a trip. And best of all, it keeps everything separated and untangled. The water-resistant nylon fabric is padded too, ensuring that your gear stays safe and dry on the go. And what I love about this organizer, and all BagSmart bags in general, is that they're exceptionally lightweight, which feels great on my shoulders. Of course, it gets a bit heavier when I load it up with my various loose cables, charging blocks, laptop charger, and portable batteries, but the organizer itself doesn't really add any weight to my pack. And despite being lightweight, it's not delicate. It's handled well over the past year or so that I've been using it. While the organizer's overall thinness is a positive for packing, it does prevent it from comfortably fitting bulkier items, such as a large universal travel adapter. For that reason, I typically use it on domestic trips when I don't need to bring large-ish equipment. Additionally, the elastic loops are a bit tight, so you might have to wiggle your cords around to get them to fit. On the plus side, that keeps them nice and snug. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best travel organizers. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.